Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, feel at home. If you're one of our returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for your support and welcome back. Today in the video, I have one of my daughters, the baby of the house, Amara Chuku. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Tell them welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
Tell them subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Tell them support us.
Support us.
Give us a like.
Give us a like.
Share.
Share.
And welcome.
And welcome.
This is Roxy, our blue-eyed cat. Roxy, say hi to people. Say hi. Guys, you can see the corn was white, but now it has changed color. It has changed color because the water we use here is borehole water, and it's a bit salty. So I think it denatures, I don't know what to call this exactly. but the original color of the corn has changed. Now you can think we were boiling yellow corn. So it has changed color. It's no longer white the way it was. It's yellow. I just added some salt. We use borehole water over here. So maybe that's the reason for that yellow color. You see, it's almost orange. Yeah, let's see how it will taste like after. Guys, the corn is ready. Yeah, but we have accepted the color change. It has changed color, but sort of orange. Guys, as you can see, our dengu is ready. Now I just want to fry it. Yeah, I make stew. Dengu, for those who don't know, is mung beans, mung beans or mung beans. Yeah, but here in Kenya we call it dengu or green grams. Yes. Now guys, this is how the beans look like after the water has reduced. Yes. Now it's ready for frying. This is my beans, salt, cooking oil, and then I prepared these tomatoes and onion, and my pan is ready. Now I've already put the cooking oil, so I will add salt. I like cooking salt so that it cooks very well. I don't like eating raw salt. So I've put the salt there to cook with the oil. I put the salt, cook with the oil. Now the salt has cooked. So now I'm going to put in my onions. I'll put in the onions. I put the onion, I'll let it cook a bit. After it has cooked, a bit, because I don't want the onions to burn, I will add tomatoes so that they cook together. I will add tomatoes. So that they cook together. If you don't let the onions burn, the mung beans will have a good taste. The green gums, they will have a very good taste. So you let it cook like that. Because I love the smell of garlic, so I will put my garlic after the tomatoes. Most people like putting garlic before, but because I like the smell of garlic, I will put my garlic after the tomatoes, so that the beans will have a very good flavor, very tasty. It will remain with the smell of garlic. Then you let it cook a bit. Let it cook with the garlic a bit. Yeah, you cook it until, so you let it cook. Sorry guys, forgive my pan. Because of the high heat, the fire has scorched the sides of the pan inside. Yeah, that's why you're seeing those dark rings. But excuse the pan, please. After the tomatoes have become cooked until they are now soft, I will take the water from the garlic powder and pour inside and let it simmer a bit. I have added the Royco beef chili cube. Yeah, it's the new one. The Royco beef chili cube. This one. It's a bit spicy, so I just put 3. Because of the children. So this is the point where I will add my mung beans. You can see. This is the point where I add the mung beans back so that it can cook slowly. I will also add a little water to make soup and let it now boil until it reduces. Sorry, there's a lot of smoke. Yeah. At this point now, I'm going to cover. Yeah, and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then I remove. Now, our mung beans now is ready to serve. It's cooked. You can see the fire is very hot, eh? Yeah. So that is our dengu. Very ready. Now even you cannot see. Let me bring a spoon. You see how this is how it looks like. It's cooked. It's ready. Yeah. So you can eat this with rice or chapati. A long time we used to eat even with the ugali. Depends with what you prefer or what you have available. So that was our ndengu cooking session. Thank you so much.